If you're looking to trade gold in 2025 and want to know which Forex brokers are best for South African traders, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 gold trading platforms that offer tight spreads, strong regulation, and fast execution, so you can trade confidently and profitably this year. Gold trading simply means speculating on the price of gold, usually against the US dollar, using instruments like CFDs. When you trade gold as a CFD, you don't physically own the metal. Instead, you profit from price movements, whether the market goes up or down. For example, if you believe gold prices will rise, you go long. It means buy. If you think they'll fall, you go short, and it means sell. Gold is popular among South African traders because it's considered a safe haven asset, meaning it tends to hold value even when currencies or stocks fall. Gold has always played a key role in global finance, but in 2025, it's even more relevant. With global inflation, market volatility, and ongoing interest rate changes, gold remains a reliable way to diversify your portfolio and protect your wealth. For South African traders, gold also pairs well with Forex because it's influenced by similar factors, like the US dollar, geopolitical events, and economic data. So, whether you're a day trader or long-term investor, gold can offer strong opportunities and stable trends throughout the year. Let's look at the top 5 gold trading platforms for South African traders in 2025. FP Markets, 8cap, Octa, Tickmill, IC Markets. Check the link below on description to open an account for gold trading in South Africa in 2025. FP Markets. First on our list is FP Markets, one of the biggest names in global Forex. FP Markets offers ultra-tight spreads on gold, often starting from 0.0 pips, and execution speeds that average under 40 milliseconds. They're regulated by ASIC and SISEC, and they also serve South African traders with easy local deposits. You can trade on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or KTrader, giving you flexibility no matter your style. 8cap. Next, we have 8cap, another Australian regulated broker gaining huge popularity among South African traders. 8cap stands out for its integration with TradingView, which lets you analyze gold price movement spreads from 0.1 pips, strong liquidity, and excellent execution speeds. Plus, 8cap provides access to AI-powered trading tools and crypto plus gold pairs, giving traders more diversification options. Octa. At number 3, we have Octa, known for being one of the most beginner-friendly brokers out there. Octa offers commission-free gold trading with low spreads and a simple, intuitive platform. One standout feature is Octa Copy Trading, which allows you to automatically follow successful gold traders. Octa provides a great learning environment with educational content and 24/7 support. Tickmill. Coming in fourth, we have Tickmill, which is regulated by the FCA and FSCA. Tickmill offers some of the lowest trading costs on gold. Their platforms, MT4, MT5, and WebTrader, all offer smooth performance. IC Markets. And finally, we have IC Markets, one of the most trusted ECN brokers worldwide. IC Markets provides deep liquidity, gold spreads from 0.0 pips, and lightning-fast execution, ideal for scalpers and algorithmic traders. They offer MetaTrader 4, 5, CTrader, and even TradingView, so you can choose your preferred setup. Quick tip before we wrap up: gold tends to move strongly during US and London trading sessions. Use tools like moving averages, Fibonacci retracements, and support or resistance zones to catch key price swings. Always combine technical analysis with fundamental news, especially U.S. inflation and interest rate data. So, to recap, the 5 best gold trading platforms for South African traders in 2025 are FP Markets, best overall for pros; ACAP, best for charting and analysis; Octa, best for beginners and copy trading; Tickmill, best for low-cost local trading; IC Markets, best for advanced traders and algos. Remember, always trade responsibly, start with a demo account, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which broker you prefer for gold trading in 2025.